Alright guys, we got a quick little fun project we've already started on, but you didn't really miss much. We got a little small job for the guys up at Los Cuatros Cattle Ranch. What they're looking for is they're looking for some cattle brands. We made them a set earlier this year. They were a bit too thick, I think, and they just took too long to heat up, so we're remaking a set for them. We're going a bit thinner. We're going 1/4 inch stainless steel for their logo, which here's a look at what it is. Just an LC for Los Cuatros. They've got two different sizes. They've got the larger one there, and then they've got the smaller one. So we're doing 2 and 2. So let's get at her. All right, so we got these all welded up. I think they turned out not too bad. Our last step with these is we're gonna put some nitric acid on them to get rid of any of the color that's left on them. Then we'll do a quick hand polish, and then we just have to finish up with the handles, and we'll get those put on and clear coated, and then that's it. So we've got some black walnut here that we sourced off the property. We had a tree blow down, geez, I don't know, probably a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago. We cut it up last spring with our mill, and then we've had it sitting in the barn since then, drying up. So I just cut a couple pieces out of a small board I had, and we'll spin these into the handle. So I've never done this before in terms of running wood on my metal lathe, so it's kind of a learning curve for me, but I don't see why it won't work. All right, that worked out pretty well. We got it roughed into 1.38, and the idea behind that is we're going to fit it into a piece of 1.5 inch stainless tubing, which is a 1.375. So we'll give her a light sand and see what it looks like.